going on YouTube? Friends, family? First, I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Thanks for coming. Thanks for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, click down at the bottom. It's free. You don't have to do anything. Just click the button. Okay, today we are going to be back on the bug. I went around and you see all these spots. There were some rust spots. So I treated it with phosphoric acid. I have a video about phosphoric acid and rust. I'll put a link somewhere up here if you want to check that out, and then be sure to come back and watch this one. But yeah, so we went around and did all those spots. It converts rust from iron oxide into iron phosphate. I think that's right. So, and it's paintable, but we still got to clean everything. But today we are going to go around, and I went around and marked where it needs like welding done. With some pinholes, you know, just little spots. This fender's cracked right here, so we're gonna get to that. I think it's cracked on this side also, but there's a bunch of little spots that we'll take care of today. So it might be some time lapse and maybe some other stuff in between. We'll see what happens. But right now I'm gonna get ready, and then we'll get on it. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. See you in a second. All right, Tara wanted to say hi. Tara, say hi. She's such a good cat. She kills all my moles and mice. We'll be right back. This is what we were talking about. This profile right here. That way when you reach in there, you don't slice your wrist and die.
Yeah, true. Not nicer.
Looks a lot better than that.
A lot better. We'll make that one look the same.
So we got everything ground down. Everything looks good. Got it blown off. All the little pinholes are gone. Woody did an excellent job grinding. He's my new grinder man. We got to put the front fenders back on, and then we're gonna clean the body up with some show me that can. Some Eastwood pre-painting prep. I've never used it before, but supposedly it's good stuff.
We'll find out.
We will definitely find out. So we're gonna get that done. I might do a time lapse, but it's just gonna be us wiping down stuff. So
Rubbing the baby.
yeah, trying to rub one out. We'll see what happens. So now we're gonna clean the body. And we'll go from there. Just pour it on, don't worry. So
I'm just pouring in my rag. Soaking my rag.
I might actually have like a little bucket or something you can use.
Oh, the sandblasted shit. Rode very well.
So we're probably gonna fast track this little process because nobody wants to watch me just wipe shit down. But all you do after you do the phosphoric acid and shit, just wipe it off. Then we'll hit it with the sander afterwards. We're just trying to clean the surface, get rid of all the contaminants. The way your paint sticks, you don't get no bubbles, shit like that. See all that nastiness? And you go back and do it again. See, pretty clean there. So we'll go over it 2 or 3 times and then go from there. I don't even know if the camera caught that, but we'll bring you back once we're done. Okay, so we got everything cleaned up. It took probably 10 rags. You can see all the nastiness on them, but we got it cleaned up. So tomorrow we'll start Bondo. Get everything leveled out and everything.
After we get this bug cleared.
Yeah. The problem is it took us a little longer than we'd like because I don't have an exhaust fan. I do have a fan up there, but the window, there's bars on the windows. You can see the bars on the windows, so the window doesn't open very good for that. So we had to keep evacuating and all that.
Breaks.
Yeah. That we wouldn't be too high and kill ourselves. My wife was worried that we were gonna die in here. So, but anyways, good. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys. I appreciate everything. And we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.